Question number 26. A simple pendulum oscillates with the frequency f. Length of the pendulum is halved. Okay, first what we will do is, before reading it, let us find out what is the time period of oscillation. Simple question. T is equal to 2 pi into square root of L by G is the time period. Length of the pendulum is halved, which means what? You are dividing this by 2, right? So T dash will now become 2 pi into square root of L by 2 divided by G, right? What is the new frequency of the pendulum? Now, how do you find frequency from T? Frequency is equal to 1 by T over here, right? So therefore, now as you see, now okay, now what we'll do is T dash we have got it over here. So this I can write this as 2 pi into square root of L by G into 1 by 2. I can write something like this over here. Okay, in other words, this can be written as T by root 2, right? This whole thing will be T and this half is inside to a root, so it becomes T by root 2. What will F dash become? F dash will become 1 by T dash, which will be equal to root 2 divided by T, which should be equal to root 2 times F, right? So F root 2 is the answer.